Mickey! Mickey! Mickey, 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 Mickey! What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Hi. Mickey! Mickey! Mickey, Mickey, Mickey! Guys, I'm just running around dropping off stuff, and I thought I'll just show you the puppy. Oh my gosh, he's being so cute. Like, look at him. He's just sleeping over there. Hi, Mickey. Hi. Oh my goodness, he's the cutest. So the weather screwed up my plans today, and I was gonna school and everything, but it's been raining, so I've been doing literally nothing today. So that's really nice actually, because we've been so busy. It's been so hectic, but it'd be nice to just have a relaxing day. That's the ponies. Hi, let's off. Hi. How doing? Huh? How doing? How you doing? It's the ponies. Where's Zama? Zama. Zama, Zama, Zama. Hi. 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 Leety, who's just been clipped, so she looks so pretty in a blinky. Who else is here? Oh, Fanta's been, because she was a little bit sick. Hello, Fanta. Little baby chickens. Mia. 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 Hello. Hello. Mia. Mia. Hi there. Hi. Oh, Grumpy. Okay. Apparently she's Grumpy this morning. Hello, Squeaky. Hello, Papa. Oh, also Grumpy. Apparently. Idlegi. Who's gonna have a baby, guys? Idle's gonna have a baby. A baby. Where's Lissoff? No, Dodge. And Pixie. Hello, Mkla. Pixie! She is forever in Idle's stable. And she is not going to have a baby, much to all of our disappointment. There's Mackie Doodle. Hello, Mac. Hi. How doing? He's like, whatever, yo. And Cookie. Hello, my boy. Hello, my boy. How are you? You're full of food. Huh? You're full of food? Evoke. Hello, gorgeous. How are you doing? And the podgy Dodge. Hello. Hello. Alright, well apparently all of my show horses are super grumpy this morning. Mickey. Go be brave.
Mickey's Anna.
I don't know if she like wants to like kick him or.
She's curious.
No, she's cross. Or she's angry. And he's like, I'll give you kisses. That's so funny.
Your friend. Maybe the other ones want to be.
Well, watch her. She's quite aggressive. And he's just like, hi, new friend.
To be young and in love and in New York City. To not know who I am, but to know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be young and in love and in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking.
Dang.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I know from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Good morning, guys. I am going to ride Pippa now. I don't think I'll film it, but yeah, and I just gave the kids a lesson, and I'm just going to quickly ride Pip, and then I have a lesson after Pippa as well, and then I'm going to ride Evoke, because unfortunately Mia has injured herself really badly, so I have withdrawn her from the show. Lacey as well, so Morgan will be riding another mare.
I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up feeling the way I do, swear the room ain't got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I'ma get to too much talking, and I might have to tell you something. Dang, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I know from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. Stay a while, stay here with me. Stay a while, ooh. Stay a while, stay here with me. Stay here with me. Hey.
Are you freaking nuts? Huh? You freaking nuts? Freaking nuts? Huh? You crazy? You crazy? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Freaking nuts. What you doing? Mickey, Mickey, Mickey. Mickey, 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 Mickey. Ha. Go get your ball. Oh my word. He's just.
I like me better when I'm with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I haven't videoed much today, guys, but she has some more puppy because, you know, who doesn't love puppy? How funny is this? Do you want this ball, Mickey? Do you want it? Do you want it? Go get it. Oh my gosh, I'm too slow. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Mickey! Oh, enough. I guess that's it. He's tired.
Stop. He's crazy, guys. He's freaking nuts. What's there? Oh my word. I can't even tell, guys. He's crazy. You crazy? God, no, don't even. Mickey? Guys. My puppy's broken, guys. Mickey! Relax! Do you want to go to bed? Mickey, do you want to go to bed?
I've been up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. Sometimes I tend to lose myself when I'm out here on my own. I never
Hi guys, so I wasn't able to vlog much of my day yesterday, which was Thursday. I got a big migraine and just went to bed, but I will pop some older show prep vlogs, pictures and videos in for you now, and I hope you enjoyed the week-long vlog. I'm not going to vlog today because today is going to be part of the show vlog. As you know, today we're starting to box horses down for our show this weekend, and yeah, I hope you
seem to get it right, but I guess that's how it goes. Ever since you came around, can't nobody hold me down. You showed me how to find myself when I needed it the most. I've been up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. Wide awake, that's okay, as long as I'm with you. I'll be up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. I've been up all night, no sleep, 'cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. I'm never gonna find my way if I don't learn to let go. The past is the past, today is today, and there's things I can't control. The circles underneath my eyes tell the truth that I've been trying to hide. I've been waiting for you way too long.